Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the perfect gift for your grandma? Whether it's her birthday, Mother's Day, holiday season, or just a surprise to show love, a thoughtful gift can make her feel truly special and appreciated. Today, we're sharing 20 sweet, meaningful, and practical gift ideas for grandma. Let's get started. Number 1. Personalized photo album. Filled with precious family memories she can cherish forever. Number 2. Customized family tree frame. A beautiful reminder of her loving family. Number 3. Cozy warm blanket. Perfect for comfort during relaxing moments. Number 4. Personalized mug. A daily reminder of love from her family. Number 5. Digital photo frame. Displays rotating family photos instantly. Number 6. Comfortable slippers. Soft and cozy for everyday use at home. Number 7. Tea gift set. A relaxing and calming daily treat. Number 8. Memory scrapbook. Filled with handwritten notes and family moments. Number 9. Reading lamp. Perfect for her favorite books and hobbies. Number 10. Personalized jewelry. A necklace or bracelet with names or initials. Number 11. Indoor plants. Bring freshness and beauty into her home. Number 12. Decorative cushion set. Adds comfort and style to her living space. Number 13. Premium journal. For writing thoughts, memories, and recipes. Number 14. Customized calendar. Filled with family photos and special dates. Number 15. Handmade gift basket. Filled with her favorite treats and essentials. Number 16. Gardening kit. Perfect for grandmas who love plants. Number 17. Warm shawl or scarf. Stylish and useful for all seasons. Number 18. Puzzle or brain game set. Keeps her mind active and entertained. Number 19. Home decor items. Beautiful decorations for her favorite spaces. And finally, number 20. Special quality time together. Spend a day with her, talk, cook, go for a walk, or simply enjoy each other's company. The best gifts for grandma are not expensive, they are filled with love, memories, and appreciation. A thoughtful gift or even quality time can mean the world to her. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.